Good morning, students. It is September 17, 2018. Week 5 of your online classes begin today. Please make sure you're staying up on all the homework, including the Learn Smarts. I see some of you have not been staying up on the Learn Smarts. Remember, they are study guides. You want to make sure that you're doing them. If, for example, you have a quiz covering chapters 1 through 5 or whatever homework assignments are associated with the chapter, you want to make sure you've done those Learn Smarts first. They are like a study guide. You need to read the text, you need to study the PowerPoints or review the PowerPoints and do the Learn Smarts as well. You get grade points for each Learn Smart you complete. So you don't want to wait to the end of the semester, even though they are dated that they're due at the end of the semester. That doesn't mean you should wait till then. You should be keeping up with Learn Smarts for all the chapters you're doing to supplement the material that I've given you and what's in the text. So this will be this week's announcement for September 17th. Unit 5 or Module 5 begins today. Your assignments for this week will be due September 23rd, a Sunday, of course, by 10 p.m. I graded this weekend all of your past assignments and have caught up with all of those. Any new assignments that were submitted for last week that were due yesterday, Sunday, last night before 10 p.m., I will grade later this week. As always, if you have any questions, please contact me by email, williamgriffin@triton.edu. Or you can always stop by my office if you're on campus at F214. So, good luck and continue to stay up with progress, the good progress that you're doing. And again, Dr. Griffin is here to help you succeed. Thanks, students.